Yeah, welcome back to second section. So now we have seen how to embed image in a file. Now we'll see how to embed a map. How to embed map in your image. Okay, uh, in your file. So for this, we'll go to like this one as visiting a site. Yeah, take soft. Okay, and want to upload the embed the map of India Takes Soft in on our page. So just go to here like if you visit the website, you'll find on contact us page there is a map. Okay, so in future if you are using or if you are creating any website, so you have to embed map. Then how you can embed? So like this. Okay, so just go to the map, Google Map, and see here is a share option. Okay, so here is my location. Okay, hello everyone, am I audible now? Sure. Okay, okay, so here is the this is India Takes Off. Okay, so actually this is my old address and this is the new one. Okay, airport road. So there's two office within just half an kilometer of distance will be there. So just go to share, and once you go to share it will ask to come on. Yes, so this is the address. Okay, and this is the link, but I don't want link. Okay, because we have to embed. So for this we'll go to the embed option. Okay, and here is the iframe. So and the size of the map. Okay, so medium, large, small, or you want some custom size. Okay, so based on that size it will create the link. Okay, I just created a small, so now see it is getting link for small and just going to copy this HTML, just copy it. So this copied now, and just come to your page and just paste first. I have just pasted. Okay, so see what I am saying. Iframe src source is this one, the whole URL of this one, google.com maps embed. Okay, so we are going to embed that right here, and here is the longitude and latitude of the map. Okay, and this is the height and width, so how much you want, what is the height of the map and width of the map, and just save. Okay, and now just come to here and just refresh your browser and you will get, didn't get. Okay, I have saved or not, don't know. Yeah, so map is coming. So this is 300 by 400 size of the map. Okay, but I want like for whole page. Okay, so for this you can go to the custom size, and here you can put your size, how much size you want for the image. So there is 800, so I want uh, 600 by 500. Okay, so 500. Okay, so what will the actual size? This much area will taken by, will taken by Google Map. So just copy and let's come and just this I'm just going to show you. Just break, okay, and just paste your code. So see, here is width is 400, here width is 600, and here height is 300, and here height is 500. Okay, or if you want to change, you can change yourself. Here you can change. Okay, so all the details regarding that website will be there. That location will be there, like India Tech Soft, and longitude and latitudes. Okay, frame border, if you want you can apply. So now just I have saved the document and just refresh the page, एंड हमने पेज को रिफ्रेश किया और अभी हमारा मैप दिख रहा है। ये हमारा जो हमने ये यहाँ मैं एक बहुत ब्रेक लगाता हूँ, फिर आपको कुछ डिफरेंस समझ में आएगा दोनों के बीच में। सो बी आर एंड बी आर, ओके, जस्ट सेव, जस्ट रिफ्रेश। Yeah, so this is custom and this is small default size. Okay, so here we know how to embed a map on the page. So just going to read one, or you can just give the size, minimum size 100 by 50 something is given, and I'm just going to delete this one. Okay, just saved and fresh. So this is 100 by 50. Okay, so it is based on depends on us how much size you want. Okay, now background image, how to apply background image. Okay, so like here for this we have some we require some css property like background image. Okay, so for this the is like I want to give a background image for whole body. Okay, or for background image for some specific area. So for this we have to create some division tag. We have to use division tag, and this division tag will style background image. So like just come here, just like we have used background color. So similarly here background image img. Okay, so here background image. Now you just remove this one, and we'll use url, and under this url in a single quote we have to give the path. So I'm just going to download one image. Okay, so we know about this. So welcome to India Tech Shop. Just go to top, just go to home, and just try to save one image. Uh, so I want this image save as. Okay, it is a web page, so it will not. So just going to one site I showed you earlier. So enter in, or you can go training image. Okay, and from here tools option. Sorry, yeah. Here you can check the size, means large, medium, or small. Okay, so I'm just going to set the large image because I have to use the image for whole body. Okay, So I'll set large image. So see, I'm getting this image. So just copy, just click on this image, and yeah, it is attribute. So see, size is 9729 by 3000. Okay, so I'm just going to download, or can get image from anywhere. 1300 by 1093 size. So you can use this image. Okay, so shape image. Mm, mm, mm. Yes, it is JPEG file. So in session one, I'm just see in where I am downloading this image in session one and IMG. Okay, so just image IMG or IMAG. Okay, dot JPEG, and we'll check IMAG dot JPG. Okay, so this is the image, and here, right, where is that? What is the location? So first is IMG. Thereafter that IMAGE dot JPG. Okay, so just save session, start the recording, and now let's see uploaded image. Now let's try this on our banner or not. See, the image is in the body. Okay, so now there is a difference between this image and this image. This is normal image file where we have put on my page. Okay, but this is the background image. You can see all the text are on that image. Okay, so these are the contents. So here we know about how to upload images, how to upload sorry, how to embed image, how to embed image in our body or background, and how to embed images like a map. So map is also image. Okay, image like a map. So we have learned, and see, question asked by Neha. ओके नेहा, बाय डिफॉल्ट मैप लेफ्ट में दिख रहा है तो राइट में दिखाने के लिए. ओके, सो विल सी, वी हैव लेफ्ट राइट टॉप बॉटम पैडिंग्स. ओके, so when we'll discuss about regarding on this 4.45 topics, at that time we'll show you how to show any content, not only map, any contents on your website to left to right. Okay, or right to left or top to bottom. So this is the, if you want to use background cover, you can use background cover. So background image, and like see, I want to repeat the background, so at that time you have to use background repeat. Okay, so for this you can use also, suppose that we have a area on this page for this one. So what will be the other part, like if I'm using some more content in the bottom of this page, so is it available, means the background of this image will be available or not. Okay, so for this we can give the background repeat yes or no. Okay, so if we apply background repeat, then no repeat or yes. By default it will be yes, but if you don't want, you can apply no. Okay, and so this is, I think, so next is the picture elements, how we can show the picture element. So for this picture is a tag which is comes in HTML5. Okay, before HTML5 there was no picture tag, but in HTML5 the picture tag with source and with source. So here we can find the source media and image. So you can use So when we have to use the picture elements, so if you have a small screen or device, so it is not necessary to load a large image. ओके, हमारे पास कोई बहुत छोटा डिवाइस है, स्क्रीन है, जिस पे कि मैं बड़ा इमेज को लोड नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, तो उस टाइम पे हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं पिक्चर एलिमेंट्स. ओके, एंड सो विल सी पिक्चर elements uh, after sometimes. So the next part is images we have seen. So now the next part is table, HTML table, how to create a table in HTML. Okay, so table is a tag. Table is the tag. So table एक टैग है, इसमें कि हम रो कॉलम जैसे क्रिएट करते हैं, जैसे अगर हम प्रेजेंटेशन की बात करते हैं इसमें, तो हमारे पास ऑप्शंस आता है इंसर्ट एंड table. Okay, so just like we have row and columns. Okay, so this much, if I want to do this, yeah, so this is the table format. Okay, table designs, and you can change the table format. So this formatting is different tools, different part. So but here we'll see how to embed, how to apply image in our uh, web page. Okay, this other part is, so here you go in jam and just go down. Okay, yeah, so after that which one, yes, here we'll use, so table is a tag, and which contains tr tag, th tag, and td tag. Tr tag means the first one is table tag, table. Under this table tag we have tr. Tr means table row. Okay, table row, and under this table row we have table heading. So we have table heading, which is th. So table heading, and see, these are the, sorry, yeah, table heading. And like, if I want to give heading like name, so student name, student name. Okay, name, and I want to show the record of the students, the records of the students, student name, students address, address, and student name, address, course. So here we'll remove this one. So this is the heading. Like here, it, here I want to give the name. Okay, and like address. Actually, some of the keys are creating problems in my PC. Address, and then contact. So this is the heading, and this all are table. Okay, and this table is table row. First we have created table row, and this is the th. Now whatever you write here, these are table data. Okay, so here just save and just go to the browser and just refresh and go down, student name, address, and course. Okay, now student name, address, course. Okay, I'm using the another file, because it will be very too large to scroll. Okay, so just get it in new file, and sorry, Okay, I'm just giving the name will be same. Okay, okay, left it. Now I want data in this student name, address, and course. So, like this student name is Vivek, Vivek. Address is Pune, and course is web development. So I want this Vivek Pune web development on my page. So for this, we have to use one row is completed. Okay, see this tr and tr close. So this tr is opening and close. So one row is completed. Now we are going to start the another row. So tr, okay, and here tr table row close, table row close. And under this, how many columns we have to create within a single tr? We have to create three columns because here we have created three columns, three heading. तो हमें तीन columns भी बनाने पड़ेंगे. So here td. Now we are going to put the table data. So first name is Vivek Kumar. Vivek Kumar, and again td, and here we'll give address is Pune, and td, the course is web development. Okay, this one. So I have used one, I have filled one data in this table, and just going to refresh and just show in the here Vivek Kumar Pune. Okay, let's it is very in bottom. So just cut, and going to paste here. Okay, here I pasted, save. So Vivek Kumar Pune. Okay, here we are getting. Now I want to put one more record. Then I want to put one more record. Then I just copy this one. I'll copy this one, and here paste here. Okay. So Vivek, Pune, India, and in Java development. Okay. Now let's refresh. We'll refresh. Okay. So Vivek Kumar, Pune, Java development. Now, so like this we can apply table. We can use table. Okay. Now the next part, we can give the color and width, height. Okay, so for this we can use the style. Here the same thing, style is equals to uh, width. So width width, and you want 100%, you'll give 100%. Just save. Okay, and we'll see 100% width. So Vivek Kumar, Pune, India. Okay, I'm just going to remove this image because it is getting some problem. So just go to on body, and I'm just going to style background, just cut this one, save. Yeah, now it's fine. So can remove 100%. 100 percent. So we'll give 100% and see 100% means the whole area. So now Vivek Kumar, Pune. Okay. Now if you want to apply border, so you can give the border. If you want to give color, you can apply color. Okay. So now we'll provide the apply border. So just in same table, within style, in style, can give just semicolon and border and 1 px solid I want, and you can give the color red like black, so it will be in black. Just save and just so now table is in border like this. There is a border in this table. Okay, so like this you can give. So if you want to change the color, you want not 1 px, you want to give 3 px, just you want 3 px. Px it means pixel. Okay, and it will be more like this. See, this is 3 px. Okay, and if I want to use another one color, then you can change the color is red, then you will get red color on the border of the page. Okay, border of the table. And if you want dotted, you can use dotted. So 1 px dotted, dotted, sorry, dotted. Okay, so now your web page, now this is dotted. Okay, so there are number of css border property. Okay, you can border collapse, border solid. You can use the text align from left to right, whatever the border space, how much you want, five pixels or whatever. Okay, you want to merge border, you can merge, sorry, you want to merge columns, you can merge columns in 2 or 3. Okay, so this is the table, and next part is we have a list. Okay, so we can use list having like unordered list and ordered list. So unordered list is different, ordered list is different. So unordered list starts with the ul tag, and all the each elements of that list start with the li tag. Okay, so like if I want some minute, I have just some questions. uh, can I use the same, can I write codes on same page or have to change? Anyone on the same page you can go through, or you can change? Okay, same page, definitely it will be good for you because I'll say one page of all the thing, all the codes, and you'll okay. So just use hr. Yeah, so I'm removing this image. Okay, because it is getting a lot, occupying a lot of space on that. Okay, so first this one, and I'm just going to comment it. Okay, I'm not going to delete, just comment. Okay, and yeah, just save. So I'll comment all the code. Okay, whatever we'll use, and then after that we'll comment. Okay, so it will be good for us. And just save, come to browser and see. Yeah, fine. Making comment is fine. Whenever you want to open, you can just use the comment section. Okay. So yeah, just giving comment on this. Just giving comment and yeah, just comment and yes, yeah. So I have commented number of sections. Okay. So we have few things on our page. Yeah, clear all. I'm just going to comment this also. So here we have views. Don't be confused. Okay. Don't be confused. Yeah. So okay. Now the next I have to cover list. Okay. So here we are going to start this. So just give comment. So HTML, HTML list. So there are two types of list in HTML. First one is an unordered list and ordered list. Okay. So first list is first unordered, unordered, unordered list, and second list is ordered list. Okay. So in unordered list we represent with like UL. Okay. And normal list we used li. Okay. So here I'm just giving a break and just save, and here hr tag to use just hr. Yes. Yeah, order list. First one is unordered list, second one is order list. Now just take example of list me. We'll say example in not list. Say the example in mm, h2, and here I'll give h2. So example of list. So first I'll use like we have a ul. First one is ul because unordered. First we'll get ul. Okay. And under this ul we have some like list. So open, close, and open. Okay. So just copy. Yeah. So I want to show my the name of my friends, like suppose that A is my friend, ABC is my friend, DEF is my friend, GHI, JKL, and MN. Okay. So now how it looks look. So this is the list. This is the example of list is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So if you want to give some points, you can give here, okay? The name of the strands and so lens style you can say it like bullet, circle, square, none. Okay. So if I give DISC, so it is the default. It will get the. So if I want to give some square, then need to use here in UL. You can use the property style, and under this, the list style. Uh, LIST list style type is the property. These are the property. Okay, list style position, list style image, list style color or whatever. And here you can write therefore like DISC, CIR circle and square. So SQU, if I use square, so see how it is looks like. Imaging square. See now this is square. Okay. So if I use DISC this, then it will like okay this looks like a bullet. Okay. And if you use none, then you can use none. You can use circle if you want to show circle, then you can use circle here, CIR circle. Okay, so here use circle. So there are different types of list style type. Okay, and the circle, square, and if you give none, so see what happened if I give none here. So NONE, their list have four types of attributes. So none means nothing. Okay. So this is about list, and you can go through order list. Okay. These are unordered list type, and order list having OL. Okay. So now we have seen the example of unordered list. Now we'll see the OL and what will the output for OL. So this is order list. Sorry, this is OL. Okay. Now just copy the same code, uh, example of list here. So example of unordered list, and now we have to copy, and here is the example for unordered list. So OL, and here we'll give OL. Okay, opening and closing, and the same thing is like OL. Just save and just see. This is 1, 2, 3. Order list document contains sequence like it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if I want to start from ABC here, not 1, 2, 3, then we have to use type. Okay. So here I'll use type is equals to in double quote or yeah in double quote A. So now let's see how it is. So it is A, B, C, D, E. So the same thing I already told you yesterday. So like this, these are the bullets and different symbols. Okay, if you want to give numeric like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Okay, so you can give like this. Okay, so if I just give 1, so let's check. I haven't checked earlier this one. Let's check what is the output. So I just give this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in Roman number. So I hope you are well getting this list. Okay, if we'll type A, it will small a then equal to the small ABC. Okay, and if There one more list which is DL, description list. Okay, which having some description on that list. So it will describe each term. Okay, so let's see the example of DL list also. So, but mostly the list having two types. Okay, and the same example of just description list we can say, and thereafter nested leaf and all the thing. Description description list. Okay, so lists, and here I have a DL. So DL, nothing I have to write. Uh, yeah, and here DT, DT description, and it's like DT. I'm just going to copy this, copy, and to this one. Okay, so look like I have given Java. Suppose that this Java is there, and I want to describe this. So we'll use DD. Okay, and DD close, and Java is a Java is a programming language. Okay, and again if I want to change put some other, so we can like just paste, and here is HTML. So HTML is a hyper text markup language. Okay, so now let's see. So now here we are describing Java. So Java is a programming language and HTML. So this is description list. We are just describing one point. Okay, this is Java. So detail about Java. And similarly, we have a nested HTML list. So if I want to give something, I want something here. Okay, so you can just give the. Okay, I'm just going to copy this one. Just copy, come down, and here I'm just going to paste, and this is this example of nested. And yes, so what nested means? Nested means parent child. Okay, nested looks like the parent child. So here ul I have if I want to like India. Okay, India, India, and UK, Australia, AUST, and yeah, we have three. And now I want to, now in India they have in भारत में क्या है इंडिया में we have a state. India is a country. So now in this country we have a state. Okay, so now again we will create ul. So ul and ul close. Okay, now under this ul again we will create list. So I'm just going to copy this one, just copy, and paste. So now in India we have Delhi, and we have Maharashtra, MAMH. Okay, image. So let's see. So now in India, Delhi and Maharashtra. Okay. So like this, we can use this nested list. So hope you are enjoying this session. After that, there is control list, counting, and horizontal lists. So there are various types of lists. So you also have to check. Okay, whatever I am giving you training. So it's 6:10. Okay, in my laptop. So I think should conclude the session. Yes. So I'm just going to stop the recording and